Sir, today is the 4th of December. It is a very historic day for the farmers of India. Let me remind the nation that on this day in 2006, Srimati Mamata Banerjee began her 26-day Bhook Hartal fighting for the rights of the farmers. Thank you, sir, for allowing me to put this on record. While I rise to speak on the Boilers Bill 2024, I would like to point out the issue of how legislation is being passed. In the 17th Lok Sabha, a total of 221 bills were passed, out of which one-third were passed with less than 60-minute discussion. In the 15th Lok Sabha, 7 out of 10 bills were sent to committees for scrutiny. In the 17th Lok Sabha, only 2 out of 10 bills were sent for scrutiny.
Speak on the bill.
Sir, I hope that these numbers include the 18th Lok Sabha. Sir, now coming to this bill, safety of workers who are handling boilers is very important issue. Just yesterday, 4 laborers in the Prime Minister's home state of Gujarat, these laborers died because of a boiler blast.
Shocking, shame.
Thus, safety provisions regarding boilers must be taken seriously. The exemptions provided in the bill need to be re-examined. The role of private players in such a crucial aspect as certification of boilers must be limited. Sir, I have a genuine question. While boilers fall under the concurrent list, why is it essential for the Union to introduce this act? Right. The bill replaces legislation enacted before independence. However, it retains most of its provisions, rendering it largely symbolic and lacking substantive impact. Its practical relevance is questionable. It must be noted that countries like the UK, Germany, Japan and South Africa have repealed laws specific to boilers and instead regulate them under broader laws on occupational health and safety. So what is the need for a separate law on the design, manufacture and operation of boilers, which is just another industrial equipment? So former chairman of the Economic Advisory Council to the Prime Minister, Mr. Bibek Debroy, had pointed out in a 2019 article, and I quote, we no longer need amendments to the Boilers Act. We no longer need that specific legislation and the specific entry in 7th schedule. Boilers are only an example. The entire 7th schedule needs a relook. He advocated that the subject should be moved from the concurrent list to the state list. Sir, while the bill empowers the state governments to appoint chief inspectors, deputy inspectors and inspectors, it also states that the qualification requirement will be told by the union. Why, sir? Don't you trust the states?
Yes.
Is that the reason you have stopped rupees 15,000 crore of West Bengal under Manrega and Awas Yojana?
Deplorable.
Please speak on the subject.
Good for the
Only that will go on the record.
federalism?
Please.
You have deprived nearly 60 lakh Manrega workers and 11 lakh Awas Yojana beneficiaries involved through this fiscal terrorism.
Speak on the subject.
Further, sir, the clause 43 of the bill should be revisited. Be it chief inspector or a deputy chief inspector, an inspector or even the union government, no one should be outside the scrutiny of the laws. The words, I quote, not be called in question in any court, I unquote, may be problematic. Thus, I request the union to reconsider it. Coming to the places where boilers are majorly used, it is heart-wrenching to see the dip in the manufacturing sector. Sir, in the second quarter, manufacturing grew at mere 2.2%. Electricity, gas, water supply and other utility services grew at only 3.3% at basic prices. The result of it is that GDP is growing at a speed of just 5.4%, slowest in 7 quarters. Retail inflation is at a 14-month high.
Speak, Mausam Noorji, speak on the subject. On this bill.
Is in double.
Otherwise, it will not go. You know as per rules. It will not go as per rules. You know the rules. No, sir. I know, Mr. Gokhale. Please keep silent. Please speak on the subject.
But we also need to discuss the urgent issues which are plaguing the nation. soaring price rise, 4 out
Please
of 10
speak on the subject.
youth unemployed,
Only you are speaking on the
Manipur
subject. Those
violence,
things will
funds
go on the
owed to
record.
opposition states.
Please, as per
These
rules,
are
no.
the issues we
You
need to
have to know
discuss
the
at
rules.
the earliest.
Please.
Thank you, sir.
थैंक यू। माननीय सदस्यगण, आप रूल्स जानते हैं, जिस विषय पे बहस है उसके प्रॉस कॉन्स में आप बोले। प्लीज कन्फाइन योरसेल्फ टू स्पेसिफिक पॉइंट्स। ऑनरेबल श्री अंतिपुर पी सेलो रासू 5 मिनट्स। 5 मिनट्स।
மாண்புமிகு தலைவர்